Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start in Settings to get an accurate battery health check. First, confirm your MIUI version in About Phone so instructions match your UI. Once done, charge the device to around 20 to 80%. That improves diagnostic reliability. If developer options aren't enabled, tap build number 7 times and enter your PIN. Now go back to Settings and locate Battery and Performance. This is where you begin the actual checks and data collection for health metrics. Next, you'll gather the detailed readings. Open Battery and Performance and tap Battery Usage, then Battery Status to see recent drain and app impact. If your MIUI build supports the raw diagnostic code, enter *##6485 #* in the phone app to view hardware-level data like cycle count and voltage. For easier interpretation, install a Q battery to measure capacity versus design mAh and estimate percent wear. Make sure to grant necessary permissions and run a few charge cycles for the app. Now interpret what you've collected. Compare the app or raw capacity number to the phone's design mAh to calculate percent wear. If numbers seem off, recalibrate by fully charging, fully discharging, then fully charging once more while not interrupting charges. If you still see rapid degradation or a high cycle count, make sure MIUI is updated and test in safe mode. If problems persist, consider a factory reset or professional battery replacement. Quick troubleshooting tip. If diagnostics don't show data, enable developer options and USB debugging, then rerun the tests.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.